Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how you can upgrade all the drivers of your PC without any third-party software using just one Windows command, and that is Winget. It's very efficient for installing, upgrading and managing all the application directly from the terminal. So let's get started. First, open up your command prompt or Windows terminal. You can do this by clicking right on the start bar and selecting the terminal admin. Click on yes. Before we start, make sure Winget is installed on your system. To check this, type Winget version and click on enter. Then it will show you the current version of your Winget. If you see this version number, you are good to go. Now let's list all the available updates in the terminal. Type Winget space upgrade and click on enter. Now this command will show you a list of software and drivers that can be upgraded to latest version. To update everything at once including drivers, type Winget upgrade space all and click on enter. This command will automatically download and install every update for everything. As you can see, it has already started to download the Microsoft.NET Runtime Applications update. The update process may take some time depending on the number of updates that are available. Let it run. As you can see, it's automatically installing this update on my computer. So once the update are complete, you may prompt to restart your PC to finalize the updated driver. Restart if required to ensure everything is working properly. Just wait for a couple of seconds and it will be done. And that's it, we have updated all the drivers successfully. Here you can see successfully installed, and we have updated all the drivers and software without using any third-party tools. This method is safe, efficient and keeps all the system up to date. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tutorials and let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this. See you in the next video.